which is in your English textbook, chapter 1. Okay, so as we come across as many things in the online classes, so let me have a brief introduction of this lesson, as well as information which you have not exactly cleared about. Okay, so once again I will go ahead with the same lesson. Fine. So in this lesson you are going to study about the exercises which we have to concentrate in our day-to-day life, as well as the food which we have to take, which is most essential in our day-to-day life. Okay, so there are plenty of ways to keep our body fit, isn't it? We keep ourselves fit. There are plenty of ways. So which are those? First one is exercises, the second one is food along with water, and also a good night's sleep. So these three you have to concentrate. Only then you will have a good health. And next is the exercises such like walking, swimming, jogging, ice skating, and as well as skipping, dancing. So these are the exercises which you have to focus on to keep your body fit. And what is the exercises which you do in a great way? See, exercise is a great way to achieve many things in the life. One thing which we have to achieve is without going to our physician, we have to stay home healthy. How? By doing the exercises. So there are different kinds of exercises which you can do it at home. So along with that, you are also recommended to take good and healthy nutritious food. As a human being, we are depend on both vegetarian and the non-vegetarian food. Okay, so whatever it depends upon your lifestyle you can have, but see that exercise is also a most important thing which you should concentrate along with your food and as well as good night's sleep. And there are different ways to keep our body fit. As I told you, it is a jogging, and it may be in the sports, or you can also do the exercises by yourself at home, indoor or as well as outdoor. Okay, different exercises you can concentrate. Along with that, you can also do routine work in your day-to-day life. What is the routine work you are going to do in your day-to-day work life, busy work life? That is, as soon as you get up in the morning, you just go ahead with the meditation, and just you do the jogging or a running, and skipping or a cycling. So these many exercises you can focus on. And as soon as you complete your exercises, you can go for a short breakfast. Then you can concentrate on your day-to-day activities, and again in the evening you can even do the exercises like as you were doing in the morning. So it differs. Okay, if you have any health issues, you no need to concentrate on the same exercises. Please have a advice, okay, so that you can go ahead with the exercises accordingly to the doctor's suggestion. Especially, see, doctor's advice is most important while doing exercises. See, the simple exercises you can carry on with. When you concentrate on the heavy exercises, like as you go for a gym or aerobics and all, you have to at least concentrate your health, as well as you should take advice from the doctor, so that he will prescribe you what type of exercises you have to do. Either you can manage with yourself, or you need any guide, okay, to do the exercise. So these many things you will come across us. And when you come across us in this lesson about the ingredients, okay, which we need to keep our body fit, is one is strength, the second one is stamina, and the third one is suppleness. So these three ingredients are most important to keep our body fit and strong. So let me discuss about the stamina. When you take the topic about stamina, so what is stamina is called? It is a quality of the body which enables us to do exercises or work for a longer period. You can continue with any sorts of work from morning 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. You can go ahead with the exercises without any stress or a strain, or you never feel boring or any aches, either backache or you may get knee pains and something like that. So these many things will really sort out. Okay, so these exercises need what? Healthy food. So you need a exact stamina, and along with that you also need proper strength. How you get strength? By eating dietary food and leafy vegetables, and as well as the exercises, as I told you earlier. And also when you think about the suppleness, it gives you the another description. So how do you feel like when you continuously go ahead with the routine work? Sometimes you feel laziness. No, I don't want to do the work. I let me stay back and let me continue with my own reading and writing, or playing with my companions or neighbors at home. So these many things you may concentrate. So that is totally different. See, the suppleness can also sometimes it makes you fit in a different way. That is, it will help you and avoid pain or injury. Okay, suppleness, if you are very strong enough, no, if you fall down, okay, unexpectedly, so it will help you to recover soon. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So it will save you, and it will also make you fit and strong when you concentrate these many activities. And moreover, when you keep bending, or you do stretching, when you take the things, or you may sometimes help your mother or a father at home, so you feel very much comfortable sometimes, because you are very healthy, because you have a suppleness, the things which is exactly needed for a particular man. Okay, especially in the childhood days, no, you have to grow very stronger, and you have to be very energetic, and because it is very competitive nowadays, isn't it? The education is very competitive. For that, you have to face many challenges also in your life. So for this case, you need all these three ingredients equally balanced within yourself. So for that, I request you to be very good in having food, or doing exercises, and taking even a maximum amount of water, and as well as a good night sleep. And keeping fit is not only for the small children to the elder person, it is also useful for the senior citizens. Senior citizens in the sense, people who have crossed 50 years or 55 years. So those people cannot eat more, but they cannot even do the jogging and other exercises. They have certain limits to do their exercises. They have certain conditions to have their food. Okay, so when they focus on these many things, they can really do well in their age, and there will be no health issues. Okay, the thing is only they can concentrate on their own exercises, which is applicable for that particular person, so with the help of doctor. Okay, so that is also one more thing you have to understand here. And you also feel very relaxed mentally. You feel very relaxed, and you feel very free, no stress. Yeah, today that this and I have these many homeworks, and I have activities to do, and I have to concentrate on the next program, okay, which is going to take place in our school. The stage fear, for example, it's a very good example I wanted to give you. Stage fear, it all you can sort out easily. Okay, there is nothing like that you have to be worried. Okay, so only thing is maintain the food, exercises, as well as sleep. So this is what I wanted to advise you in this lesson. And finally, there are few tips you have to be concentrated in this lesson, a few steps which you can remain active. So the three and tips, what is the tips you have to concentrate on is find time for gardening. You have to find some time, you have to spare some time for your gardening. What is gardening? Sowing plants, you understood, watering to the plants. Okay, keeping your garden clean and hygiene. So these many things, you at least 10 minutes per day you can concentrate. And also take your dog for a walk. If you have a pets at home, you can take especially dog, you cannot take any other pets to a walk. Okay, so only dog you can take out, and just go around, and for 10 to 15 minutes you just have a walk along with your pet, and keep relaxed. So this is one more tip. Okay, apart from the exercises, these are all. And carry the groceries,